I've been trying to learn pixel art, and I was messing around a little bit this morning and accidentally came across a dithering technique that I really like for water, and I wanted to show you how I did it in case anybody else likes it and would like to try it. So I'm going to start by creating a new canvas with 40 by 40 pixel size. And then just using the default, I'm using A-Sprite. You can use anything you want. I'm not trying to sell A-Sprite, but I use A-Sprite and just went with their default color palette and got rid of everything that wasn't blue. And just pick this medium blue color here as a base. And I don't really care about the sky right now, so I'm just going to pick the lightest color just so that we can differentiate sky from water. Now pick the light color that I want to be the top part of the water and make an area like that, and then pick the dark color that I want for the bottom area of the water and draw a line, and then switch to gradient tool and fill it in like that. And then I decided I wanted some really light colors for the very top of the water, like some kind of highlight, sun shining on the water kind of thing. So draw a line of that. And then decided I wanted to make that 2 pixels wide. So I went back and drew another line. Now for the actual dithering. I draw a dash 3 pixels long, then skip 2 pixels, then another 3 pixel dash, skip 2, another 3. This makes it very irregular, and it's gonna not really work for anything except water because of the way we're doing it. But I think it kind of looks a little bit like, almost like waves in the water when we're done with it. Then on the next line, in between all of the gaps in the lighter color, we draw 2 pixels long, dashes 2 pixels long. Then on the next line, we basically put a single dot at the corner of every 2 pixel long dash. And like I said, this makes it look very irregular. Like you can see on the right hand side that it doesn't fit quite perfectly, but it works for our purposes for practice. And then I don't really know how to describe it, so just do what I'm doing here. And when you zoom out, it kind of looks like waves in the water. And then since I'm lazy and don't want to have to draw it all over again every time, I just select this area and copy and paste it into the darker areas. And then if you have an area selected, you can go into the gradient tool and pick your colors. And make sure to turn off contiguous. And as long as you're inside a selection area, it will only fill in the colors in that area. And I'm going to take the lighter color from the top and fill in the actual dithering part. And then we basically just repeat this process with the darker area for the darker colors. And it looks like waves in the water. I don't think it looks too bad. I kind of wish that I hadn't made the skies so big so I would have had more dark water at the bottom, but oh well, it was just for practice. If you liked it, let me know.